Hey friends, welcome back to my channel. So for you to be able to make your crochet braids, you will need this crochet wig cap. So this is what it actually looks like. It has a band around it and also nets all over it. Everything I'm using to make these crochet braids I actually got from Amazon. So this is what came with the crochet braids. It came with those little clips that you guys can see, and then it had 6 packs of the crochet braids with some clips to go with it. It also came with this crochet pin. So this is what a crochet pin actually looks like. First off, you want to take off the hook from it, and then this is what a crochet braid always looks like. It has like a hole in the middle. So what we'll be doing is you put the crochet pin into the net, put the crochet braids under it, and then you tie the knots. When tying it, you have to be careful so you don't end up tearing the net on the wig cap because it's not that strong. Then you want to go ahead again and then put the crochet pin under the net of the wig cap, take the crochet braids under it, pull it through, and then you tie. So this is what you're going to be doing basically until you're done making your crochet braids. But you have to be careful how you're placing the braid so you don't end up making it so heavy. Try not to put so much at the back. I made some mistakes which I corrected. I was actually putting a lot at the back, which I actually took out later, and then I placed them at the front. So try to like make it a bit scanty at the back, and then you just keep repeating the same process until you're done. So you guys should just keep watching, and I'll talk to you guys almost at the end of the video or when we get to the middle parts. So what I'm showing you guys here is actually the center of the wig. Like I want to have the center pattern at the middle. So basically you have to figure out where you want to have your pattern space, if you want it at the side or you want it at the center. So then I'll be filling up the crochet braids there. So the next step now is covering the band on your crochet braids, and I know a lot of us actually have this issue not knowing how to cover up the elastic band in order to make the wig look natural. So I'm going to be showing you guys how I get to do mine. So what you basically do is to put the crochet pin under the band through the net. You pull the crochet braids and then you have to tie it twice. Why you're tying it twice is to make it secure and tight at the front. So that's what you're going to do until you're done. So what I do here is I don't actually do it round the band, I just do it from a particular section on the right hand side to a particular section on the left hand side. So you guys should just keep watching and see what I'm doing. I know if you watch it, it's going to make more sense to you. So all I'm doing here is I went to the back of the wig and then I tried to fill up the spaces, and that's what you would want to do if you have some crochet braids left. You just go back to the back and then you look at the places that need the crochet braids and then you just put them on, and it's really easy. It took me about 1 hour to actually make this wig. That was because I was making it and then filming as well. But if I was just making it alone, I think it would take me like 30 minutes. And I hope you all enjoyed watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, give this video a thumbs up, and then drop some comments down below. Let me know what you guys think, and I'll see you all in my next one. Bye.